Business Sale Report provides an opportunity to get in touch with vendors who are listing their businesses for sale. Businesses can be accessed under the Businesses for Sale tab. Click on Find a Business for Sale to navigate through BSR's business listings. You can sort businesses by date added or by turnover. Every listing contains an overview section and full business description that is filled out by the vendor. For more information on each business, click on Contact this seller. You can then email the vendor or give them a call on the phone number provided. Please make sure that you are logged in before viewing any opportunities. Otherwise, you will only be able to view limited information and you won't have access to vendors' contact details. Our database functionality allows you to search for opportunities using various criteria. For example, you can search for any listings that contain a specific keyword. You may need to do this a few times to cover businesses that might be described using different keywords, i.e., printer or printing. Every listing has a web reference number in the top right corner. It's useful to make note of this number when coming across interesting opportunities. This allows you to quickly find it again later by inputting it under the By Reference tab. You can also search for companies using other filters such as region, business sector, and turnover. If you wish to save your search preferences, click Save Business Search under the Search button. Your search preferences will then be saved under Saved Business Searches. You can also save specific businesses under Saved Businesses for Sale. All of this information will appear in your account. You can also tailor your email alert preferences. The button can be found on the right-hand menu on the My Account page. Select what types of businesses you would like to be notified about. Selecting Receive Company Alerts will notify you about all businesses that are newly listed for sale. We recommend that you filter these by selecting specific keywords. If that keyword appears anywhere in the listing, that listing will be included in your personalised email. If you enter multiple keywords, make sure to separate them with a comma. Under Insights and News, you can find out more about the state of the market in the UK, including analysis of market sectors and lots of useful tips and advice to help you manage a business acquisition. For more off-market opportunities, Business Sale Report also provides a dedicated acquisition search service. To find out more about this, please email info@business-sale.com.